It's raining on us!
There's a little baby in the mama's pouch. Get it, get it, get it before it goes in time.
Aww, look at that. You ready? Woohoo!
Sander!
Sander! Yeah!
Oh, this is pretty. Look
And-
at this pathway.
And you can see the waves on a few different spots here. It's really cool. Solely the tour guide for the day. Oh, you're the tour guide?
Come on.
You and Solely, sorry.
Araya runs North Stradbroke. That's not funny.
Send it, guys.
This is such an awesome path.
Look at the waves just breaking down the point. So beautiful. On it. Woo! Cylinders pumping.
Oh my god, it's puking and nuking.
Sorry about that, guys.
So cute.
Super cool. Look at a big old tide pool. All the kids are playing.
That is so sick.
Look how deep it is. That kid's swimming over there. They say on the right day, this wave gets really good. I'd love to see it one day. Maybe we'll come back and get it good. All right, we're gonna load up and go check another spot. Cool looking house. I love the wood accent. Lunch of champions. Little meat stick for the kids.
They love it.
Woo! How's it going? Good? You like it?
Yep.
Lunch of champions. Meat stick in front of Bob's.
Alright, so we definitely just stopped at this spot. We're like, okay, this must be it. Because the maps leads us all the way to the top of the mountain. So we're like, oh, it must just be right here. So we pull off. Well, thank God Nelson and his friends drove by because they were like, you guys are not at the right spot. Which Soul didn't really seem convinced that we were anyways, so yeah, they're leading us to the right spot right now. Thank God we saw you.
Actually, Ella said you guys actually went past it, so it was back that way.
Oh, okay.
But we can show you MYORA Springs. It's really cool.
Okay.
Have you seen it yet? Before the
No.
It's called MYORA Springs. And
No.
It's a really cool spring.
Okay,
It's a
cool.
national park.
So what, go down here?
Yeah, there's like a boardwalk and everything.
Okay.
This used to be where BIPPO was filming.
Really?
So that's so funny. That's just how these adventure days go sometimes. We've been trying to find this little hiking spot. Passed it, saw some friends, they told us we were at the wrong spot, and then we ended up finding this spring. So we're excited to check this place out.
And the water is actually brown from the tea tree oil. Again, like the Brown Lake yesterday.
All right, guys, let's go check it out.
2.4 million liters gets pumped into this spring from Mother Earth every single day. How cool is that? How neat is nature?
What is going on here? What the heck? Or I said it to him. She said, Soul, let's hold hands. This looks like where you would find shark teeth back home.
Ooh, I wonder if we could find shark teeth today.
Or maybe this is where they find the shark teeth. This is cool.
Too muddy.
Too muddy?
Yeah, and I get so much money from this way. I don't know.
You're gonna get your pants wet or you don't care? Let's pull them things up. There you go. Hike them up. Let's go for a walk. This looks fun.
I feel like I'm in Fiji right now.
Do you?
Yeah.
I don't know if you could hear what Soul said, but he goes, I feel like I'm in Fiji right now. Why do you say that, Soul? Because it's all muddy. Yeah, Soul. This is really cool, guys. There's a beehive? Oh yeah, little beehive, petrified beehive. And how are you guys going back here?
I feel like this is some crocodile territory.
This is no crocodiles here, but this is really cool. This is so cool though. Guys, we hit the jackpot here. It's way better. You guys really wanted to hike a hill?
Look, somebody else walked back here. It looks like Bigfoot, guys.
No.
Look, there's Bigfoot footprints right here.
Oh my gosh, right here in the flesh.
Guys, I think I just...
You heard something? Oh my gosh, Soul.
Bigfoot footprints?
Yeah, right there.
Araya. Araya, there's a Bigfoot footprint.
Right there.
What?
It's size of my foot. Size of my foot.
Have you ever done this before, Soul?
No.
You've never come back here?
No.
That's cool. What's nice about this is if you were walking in something like this back home, you'd be stepping in oysters and stuff.
Dad, I need somehow I'm stuck.
You're so cute, girl.
And you're in mud puddles so will stay you're stuck.
Yes, they will.
If I see a mud crab, it's all up to you.
I have to get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right down the pipe's the best place to walk, guys. Are you stuck? Excuse me, Soul, what vehicle do you think you're going to be getting back in?
I don't know.
He's like, I don't know. Maybe I'll ride on the roof.
Little roof rider.
Roof rider. Rough rider. Look at you, girl. Trekking it. It's going to get deeper right here, though, Ryan. Just cross follow what I do, okay? It's funny, I was talking about earlier that back home you'd have to worry about oysters walking and stuff like this, and come to find out, some type of oyster. Oysters here too.
Look at this.
The groves.
That means this all gets high sometimes.
We're almost to the end.
Is this one the new beaches?
Yep, we're almost to the beach. We're almost to the end.
This is the perfect day to do stuff like this though, because like you ain't breaking a sweat. Ooh, you are not breaking a sweat in this. Like it is comfortable. It's just like relaxing, not super hot.
Soul, you doing okay over there? All right, you doing okay over here?
Mm-hmm.
I'd hope so, because I'm carrying you. It's like a big mud flat. Not that spectacular, like most of the stuff here is. But it's still cool to see. Can we get down? See how far it goes. It's a big old mud flat, sand flat, whatever you want to call it. All right, we came, we saw, we conquered the mud flats.
That's really cool.
What is it? Looks like a flounder almost.
No, it's so I know.
Oh, there's a bunch of them. Like they are puffer fish.
That's what I thought it was like.
Look, there's a bunch of them. Bunch of little puffer fish. That's so cool. Look at that one up there. Stick to the left side. Guys, this tree wasn't down like this 5 minutes ago. That's not good. We gotta get out of here. What do y'all think that means?
Bigfoot for sure.
But Bigfoot's actually nice.
He's actually nice.
I've met him before.
You met Bigfoot before?
Yeah.
In the bushes?
He's his friend.
That's good to know. Mariah, Soul's met Bigfoot before and he said he's nice. Jesus!
Got him! Did I get you all?
It scared me.
It scared.
You got Mariah and Soul.
I know I got Sully. That boy jumped. On your mark, is set, run.
I think there's something wrong in there.
What?
And why is that tree snapped?
Every tree is snapped around here.
Oh my gosh.
Soul, what's going on?
I don't know.
What's happening?
Hey guys, there's a tree monster and I know how to control it. And he's very mean.
Oh my gosh, we got to get out of here, guys. All right, can we rate the little trail we just walked? How'd you guys like it? 1 out of 10.
10 10 out of 10. Wait.
It was a 10. What do you think, Saul?
10 out of 1.
10 out.
Because it was pretty scary.
Okay, I agree with that. It was pretty scary. All right, Mom, what'd you think of the trail?
I would give it a 4 out of 10.
I would give it I'll go 6. It was a really cool little walk. I like walking up little water trails like that, but yeah, 6 it is.
We found it!
Go.
All right, you know how these hikes can go sometimes, so we are coming prepared. We got some water, peanut butter and jellies, some meat sticks, little ice, some diapers, wipes, and a few snacks for the kids, and Daddy's gonna carry it because woo, it's still a little heavy, but we're gonna hike up here and see what we can get into.
Nice.
So Sully's wearing Araya's jacket, which is a little too small for him. Araya's wearing Xander's jacket, which is a little too small for her, and Xander's wearing Xander's jacket, which fits just right. And I'm wearing Chris's jacket because she's the nicest, and I definitely didn't pack a jacket. Araya, what's the sign say?
On 7 it says no motorcycle, no fire, or no dogs.
That's right.
And cats.
Or cats.
This is Aboriginal land. That's really cool.
Wait, bite to me.
First person to spot a koala wins.
Or a tree monster.
Yep.
Or a tree monster wins.
Hey, beehive.
That's a huge beehive up there, isn't it, guys?
Right there on that tree.
Oh yeah.
All right, crazy kids, let's do it.
Oh my god. Dad will have an actual heart attack. It says Mount BIPPO, 3.2 kilometers one way, 2 hours.
What? We ain't doing no dang 2 freaking hours. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed Mount BIPPO. That was a great time.
We're gonna do as much as we can.
All right, we're gonna walk up a little bit. Cool. It's a wild looking plant.
The way they feel is amazing.
Oh, look, a tree. Oh, look, a tree. Oh, look, another tree.
Tree monster broke the tree.
He did.
That's
cool looking. Oh, rock top. Rocket Top,
Yeah, the
Tennessee.
tree monster broke that tree.
Oh my gosh, guys. I feel like the tree monster's stalking us.
Yeah, maybe he's hiding from us because he didn't like salt.
Dad, if the hike is over like 10 minutes, he starts panicking.
I didn't see a single person here laugh. Did you guys? Look at these little leaves. They look like saw blades.
Oh my gosh, they do.
Soul leaves.
Saw leaves?
Yeah.
Almost like soul leaf. What are they falling off of? Oh, here you go. Here's the plant. It's a saw tree.
That's so cool. Run it.
That's wild looking. That's crazy looking.
Look how crazy looking this is. And the way that, oh look, it just like falls off. That's so weird.
That's trippy. The good thing is that we're not walking to the top.
That's what he thinks. It's like a slinky.
Right up. Pretty wild looking. Well, we turned this rainy day into a good day. Get outside, people. Breathe that fresh air. Do some exercise. Do something. Don't sit inside the house. Trust us, it's hard to get out the house sometimes, but once you do, it's always a good time. Those trees are beautiful, guys. Look at how they're just sticks out of the ground. There's the old rain cloud coming. Scared Mom half to death. This tree looks like it's definitely been messed with. See it? How on top of it, the very top of it's been messed with? That's crazy. The very, very top of it is... So that's twice, bro.
I think it's a really nice trail leading to an amazing location that we aren't allowed to go because you gave up.
It's raining on us. All right, we're getting out of here. It's starting to come down a little too hard for us, unfortunately.
Because you're gonna run from that tree monster.
Yep. We were running from the tree monster.
And now we're running from the rain.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment below, and here's a link to another one of our adventures.